Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called Excel sheet column number. Given a column title is appear in an Excel sheet, return its corresponding column number. For example, ABC 1, 2, 3. And if input is A, then we just need to return 1, and if input AB, we return 28. ZY, we return 701. That's super easy. You just need to set up the new variable. It's called result. Then you are looping through this string. You say int I equals to 0, and till I is less than the length of that string. And what we're gonna do is that we say result equals to result multiplied by 26. As you know, guys, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, so that's why we use multiply by 26 here. In order to get to the right letter. And also we need to say plus s dot character at I minus a, because of an ASCII table. We just convert the result, like the value, into a binary representation. And as you know, guys, it's 0 based in Java, so we just need to say +1 to get the right result, right? Like suppose we got a minus a equals to 0, we want to have 1, so we just say +1. If we got z, so we just say z minus a equals to 25, right? And we say +1, so we got 26 here. And also you say I++, you increment I by 1, and finally you return the result. That's the whole problem. Super easy. Let's run this code. Yeah, accepted. Great. Let's submit. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I wanna know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social medias. I do all LeetCode problems. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.